Okay. So do you know where we are? No. So we're at Murphy's camping by the sea.
We're going to roast marshmallows.
That's right. We're going to roast marshmallows tonight.
Yummy.
Yum,
Yum, yum,
there's
yum,
a
yum.
clam bake. There's free mussels by the campfire later tonight. Mike's going to inflate the sups so that we can take the girls out on the ocean supping.
Yum, yum, yum.
She's excited for marshmallows. And
Let's
s'mores.
yum away.
Ivy, can you say something?
Bah, bah.
How about something other than bah? Hold on. Hold on. It's a very beautiful campground. It was recommended to me by Alyssa Erickson on Instagram. Yeah, thank you for that. This is very cool. Alright, we're stand-up paddleboarding, sitting paddleboarding.
I'll give you some moon.
You're going to be the background music? Okay. At Murphy's campground by the sea. And we got a little bit, I don't know, maybe half a kilometer up.
Against wind.
Against wind. Yeah.
So it's easier this way.
Yeah, so now we're floating back to the RV. Yay!
Yay.
There's a fight to be won for the love you find at home. There is work to be done for you rest your weary bones. Finding peace don't come to everyone I know, so I will love in this life till I finally have to go. Said I will love in this life till I finally have to go. Well, I know I have lived just a wrinkle of my life, and I hear so many times it'll be over when I blink twice. So please forgive if I don't walk off that plank stuck in your eye. I've got my life to love, and I'm here to take what's mine. I've got my life to love, and I'm here to take what's mine. Growing up, child, is just a matter of time. Forgiving all you've got, so won't you dance under the sun? Growing old feels like you're giving up your soul. I'd rather give it freely to the ones that I call home.
You know what, Lux? You'll probably really like it.
Just like the never
So they keep it in for
Yes, I have time for mussels.
They do. I mean, they'll
Hey, were you out there fishing today? We saw you. Was that you down by Wolf Island?
What do you think?
Yep. Okay.
Do as I do, please, with my friends till the end. There lies my loyalty.
So we're at Murphy's camping on the sea, and we're about to go on a boat ride.
Yay, oh yeah, but and I have a steak.
Yeah, because we're really excited about this boat ride.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, it's gonna go away?
No.
Oh.
She's scared of the fish.
So we're leaving the most beautiful campground that we're probably going to stay at in Nova Scotia. We are at Murphy's Camping by the Sea, and we had an absolute amazing time here. And we're quite sad that we have to leave. We'd like to stay another night, but we need to hit the road and head north to Cape Breton Island.
Why, Mom? I want to leave this beautiful place.
Yes, we had a lot of fun here.
My favorite part was clams.
We really enjoyed the clams. We really enjoyed the hospitality.
And
we really enjoyed our boat ride. Yeah, the boat ride was a lot of fun.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
Okay, we'll see you again soon.